And now, Laax, make some noise for Tucker Perkins. Oh yeah, what a nice 5. Coming into that 9 shooter. Another 9 shooter. Going for a 10. Coming in, switch. Oh no. Not one single clean final run. This is a bit unfortunate for Tucker Perkins. But these guys, they're really true heroes here each. Now Rickett stalling the finals. Man, watch out. This man, he's stalling with a big 540. And the big alley-oop. Oh, he's got problems at the landing, but that's what I'm talking about. 7 meters. You know, if I would go that high, we have Matt Mergetz. Good to the rush. Huge 540. Shooter. Good back 9. Double up pretty clean and clear on 9 again. On its switch. Eerste sprong. Mag het larmen, daar is er Niels Lapper. Oh yeah! He's out to the big 900. Whoa, en Lapper. Huge. Yeah, stop that. Krief, c'est parti pour lui, faites du bruit! What a nice 9. Flat spin 540, Thomas Krief. And up for the 5, true tell. Sehr stylish, the Thomas Krief from Switch. Switch 7, schöne Laufapplaus, merci beaucoup, Thomas Krief. On course. Right here. Duncan Adams, huge. And then switch. What a switch here! Coming in, switch again. Switch, so going big on the 9 down here. What is that? It was just too high, Duncan. That was just a bit too high. Here, on course, Banks Gilberti. Laax, make some noise. Stole a big 542 tower. Switch. Switch 7, along the tweet back for the ball. Flat spin 5. And they're beautiful. 3,000 Crook 900. Go, Peter. Big 900. Beautiful. Going into that flare. Going on 9. You're at 1080. Yeah, Peter. Last run of the week with Laax for Jossie Wells. Make some noise for the Kiwi. Huge.
They want to know how I feel about it.
Nice, 900.
I'm ahead of my game.
Well, I find 900.
Fuck with the beats. Still not loving police. Still rock my khakis with a cup in the crease. Still got
the nice Switch 9. Jossie Wells. Trust me, he's pretty high anytime. Coming in, switch. Switch so on. Into that nice 540. Whoa! Grab on the clear 900. Oh, there's Seaton. Oh yeah! Xavier Bertoni, c'est parti pour lui. Yeah, big 5. Thank you, perfect 900. Back to back. Huge Xavier. Oh, very Matthew Filippi, USA, on course, coming in Switch. Oh, it's the Switch, double. Whoa, what is he doing out there? Look at Matt Filippi. Oh, Matthew Filippi! On one of the best pipe runs I've seen so far.
Yeah, that's
Tables to MP3s, from B Street to commercials, I'm making D's. From gold cables to Jacobs, from play facials